Everyone, why do I fast? Because I want to increase my health span, and health span is very different from lifespan. um, and I believe in information theory of aging. I'm not sure whether you have heard of it or not. So David Sinclair has proposed this information theory of aging. He's a professor at Harvard, and the core idea behind his research work is that aging happens because of the DNA damage, and there are certain kind of genes that can restore this loss in information, which happens when DNA gets then cells divide and the DNA gets replicated. So we have 30 trillion cells, and all these cells keep dividing, and DNA code gets replicated, and during this replication, a lot of genetic information is lost. And there are three types of genes that he suggests that can restore this information, and those three types of genes are mTOR, AMPK, and sirtuins. mTOR and all these three genes, they respond to different type of lifestyle changes and choices. For example, mTOR responds to protein, so you would like to regulate mTOR. So you might like to choose plant-based diets. Second one, AMPK, that responds to glucose level in blood cell. So you have to make sure that you reduce the glucose variability in your body. You maintain the lower glucose level as much as possible. And then the third one is sirtuins, which responds positively to physical stress. Physical stress comes from exercise, it comes from fasting. Fasting is probably the easiest way in which you can put your body into stress, and you can activate sirtuins. So these are three ways in which you can decrease the loss of information, and he calls it epigenetic loss of epigenetic information. So yeah, that's pretty much why I go fast.